Today, I review the Fujifilm Instax Mini LiPlay. My name is Tobias and I test a lot of cameras on my channel. The LiPlay is a digital camera with an instant photo printer combined. At first glance, the Instax Mini LiPlay exudes elegance with its sleek and compact design. It fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, making it perfect for on-the-go photography adventures. The minimalist layout of buttons and controls ensures intuitive operation. It is out of plastic, which makes it very lightweight, but it still feels like a worthy camera and not like other Instax cameras, like a cheap plastic toy. Loading a new film inside is very easy to do, like the whole operation of this camera. What sets the Instax Mini LiPlay apart is its hybrid nature, seamlessly blending digital and analog technologies. With the ability to capture and store images digitally, users can review, edit, and select their favorite shots before printing. The LCD screen serves as a convenient preview window, allowing for precise framing and adjustments. Moreover, the camera offers a range of creative features to enhance your photos. From filters and frames to adding text or audio recordings, the LiPlay empowers users to customize their prints with a personal touch. Whether you're documenting a special occasion or simply capturing everyday moments, the possibilities are endless. In addition to its standalone capabilities, the Instax Mini LiPlay offers seamless connectivity to smartphones via Bluetooth. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing users to print photos from their mobile devices or even use the camera remotely. The dedicated app further enhances the user experience, providing additional editing tools and creative options. Talking about image quality, the Instax LiPlay has only a 5 megapixel sensor, which makes the image quality not competitive with flagship smartphones. It has more a nostalgic feeling to it. If you don't like it, the LiPlay still can be a handy photo printer for you. In summary, the Fujifilm Instax Mini LiPlay is a versatile and stylish camera that combines the best of digital and analog photography. Overall, I enjoyed using it, and its affordability makes it to a great camera which is worth its money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting camera reviews like this.